Good morning, grade 3 enthusiasts! Kindly all stand up and let us start our day with a prayer. In the name of the Father, and the Son, and the Holy Spirit. Amen.
Our Father,
who art in heaven, holy be your name, your kingdom come, your will be done on earth as it is in heaven. Give us this day our daily bread, and forgive us our sins, as we forgive those who sin against us, and lead us not into temptation, but deliver us from evil. Amen. In the name of the Father, and the Son, and the Holy Spirit. Amen. Good morning, pupils!
Good morning, Teacher Athena. Good morning, classmates. Mabuhay! I am glad to see you again.
I am also glad to see you all today. How are you today?
We're very fine, Teacher.
It's good to hear that you are fine. So before you will take your seats, can we pick up the pieces of papers and plastics under your chairs, tables? Even if it's not your trash, you still have to pick it up and put it inside the trash bin. Then, kindly arrange your chairs properly. Okay, that's great. You may now take your seats.
Yes, please.
Now I will be checking your attendance. When I call your name, you have to raise your right hand and respond, "Present, teacher." Understood?
Yes, teacher.
Leah?
Present, teacher.
Very good. How about Trisha?
Present, teacher.
Very good. Atria?
Present, teacher.
Very good. Aiza?
Present, Teacher.
Very good. How about Christine?
Present, teacher.
Very good. That's great. I guess everyone is present today. Give yourselves a very good clap. Do you know how to do it?
No, Teacher.
Okay, let me do it first, and then after I do it, we will do it together, okay?
Okay, Teacher.
A very good clap goes like this. Clap your hands 3 times. Very good, very good, very good. And then, on your feet, clap your feet. Very good, very good, very good. And then, very good, very good, very good. Now it's your turn. 1, 2, 3, go.
1, 2, 3.
1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Very good, very good, very good.
Very good.
Very good. Keep up the good work, pupils. Alright, so are you ready for our lesson for today? Before we start our lesson, I will share to you our objectives for today. First, we have to compare the numbers up to 10,000 using relation symbols, the greater than, the less than, and the equal to. The second objective is to recall the 3 relation symbols and the 2 ways in comparing numbers. The third objective is to show the ability to compare numbers in real-life situations. And lastly, our fourth objective is to correctly use the relation symbols. Dear pupils, please eyes on the television screen because we will all watch a video and sing a song. So let's all watch this video and you can also sing along with me while watching the video. Okay?
There was an alligator living in the swamp who sneaked up on numbers and started to shout. Whenever the numbers sat on the ground, she'd face the bigger one and gobble it down. And there are 2 numbers that are the same. The gator changes form and she swamps her name because she isn't sure exactly how to dance. She stands right in the middle as an equal sign. Number what's greater. He bites on what's less. Their mouths open wide for the bigger side. When they march down the orchid mess.
Did you enjoy watching and singing the song?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, it's good to hear that you are enjoying. Pupils, please listen. So I have here a chart containing 3 sets of objects. When you say set, it is a group of objects, a group of animals too. It could be. Now look at this chart and count each set of objects. Then answer my questions. How many objects do we have in set A, which is the bag? And then in set B, which is the pen? And in set C, which is the box? Please raise your right hand if you want to answer, okay? Trisha, how many bags do we have in set A?
There are 13 bags in set A, teacher.
Very good. How about pens in set B? Yes, Isaac.
There are 13 pens in set B, teacher.
How about in set C? How many boxes do we have? Yes, Christine.
There are 6 boxes in set C, teacher.
Now I have another question. Among the 3 sets, which has less numbers? Yes, Tia.
Set C, teacher.
Another. What can you say about the numbers of objects in set A and set B? Yes, Trisha.
They have equal number of object, teacher.
Very good. They have equal numbers of objects. The set A have the total number of 13 bags, as well as the set B, the pens, have 30 in total. Another question. What have you observed in the numbers of objects in each set? Yes, Atria.
The number of objective in set A and set B is the same, while the number of objective in set A and set C, as well as the set B and set C, are different, teacher.
Very good. If we compare set C to set A and B, remember, set A and set B have the same total numbers of objects, right? So if we compare set C to set A and B, is what? Yes, Isaac.
Set C is less than set A and set B, teacher.
Now, how about this? What can you say about the numbers of objects in set A and B compared to set C? Yes, Christine.
Both set A and set B are greater than in set C, teacher.
Very amazing. All of your observations are correct. Give yourself 3 claps.
1, 2, 3.
So what do you think will be our lesson for today? It's all about comparing numbers up to 10,000 using relation symbols. Okay, students, now lend me your ears. So I have here a word problem. Please read it aloud.
Esther is fond of collecting different plant leaves. One day, she went to the garden and collected 3 different plant leaves. She counted all the leaves she collected and held in a chart. She wants to find out what leaves have the most numbers and the less.
Very good. Now I will repeat it. Esther is fond of collecting different plant leaves. One day, she went to a garden and collected 3 different plant leaves. She counted all the leaves she collected and tallied it on a chart. She wants to find out what leaves has the most number and the least. To find out the answers, let us compare the numbers using the place value chart. Now, let us take a look at Esther's chart. Now, I will ask you some questions. How many leaves does leaf A have? Yes, Isa.
There are 2,165 leaves, teacher.
Very good. It has 2,165 leaves in total. Now, how about in leaf B? Yes, Leah.
There are 6,103 leaves, teacher.
Very good. It has 6,103 in total numbers. How about leaf C? Yes, Christine.
There are 6,100 leaves, teacher.
Very good. Pat yourselves, for you have given the correct answers. Do you remember we have already tackled this topic or lesson when you were still in grade 2? Yes, we have tackled comparing numbers up to 1,000 using relation symbols. But now, since you are already in the 3rd grade, we will now tackle comparing numbers up to 10,000 still using the relation symbols. Now, I will teach you 2 different ways on how to compare numbers, compare large numbers. So the first way to compare large numbers is by using the place value chart or table, just as what like Esther did. So the first step on comparing numbers is first we have to write the given numbers. Again, these are the given numbers. The leaf A that has 2,165, the leaf D that has 6,103, and the leaf C that has 6,100. We have to write the given numbers vertically. When you say vertically, it is written like this. But when you say it horizontally, you have to write it like this. So again, we have to write the given number vertically, aligning the digits, these are the digits according to the place values. So these are the place values. Thousands, the hundreds, the tens, and the ones. Do you remember it? Yes. Okay. The number 5 right here in leaf A is under the place value of ones right here, while the 6 is under the place value of tens. The 1 right here is under the place value of hundreds. And lastly, the 2 right here is under the place value of thousands. Now in leaf B, the given number is 6,103. Now the 3 right here is under the place value of ones, while the 0 right here is under the place value of tens, while the 1 right here is under the place value of hundreds, and the 6 right here is under the place value of thousands. And in leaf C, it has 6,100. The 0 right here is under the place value of ones. And then the 0 again is under the place value of ones. And then the 1 right here is under the place value of hundreds. And then the 6 is under the place value of thousands. Now let's proceed to the second step. In the second step, we have to compare the numbers, starting from the greatest place value. In this chart, the greatest place value is the thousands place, followed by hundreds, tens, and ones. So again, we have to compare the numbers starting from the thousands place, hundreds, tens, and then ones. A while ago, we have compared leaf A and leaf B, right? Now we will apply the second step. Leaf A, the digit number under the thousands place is 2, while leaf B, the digit under the thousands place is 6. Now, these two numbers are different. They are not equal to each other. Therefore, we can compare it. Which number or digit is greater or bigger? Very good. Of course, it is number 6. Therefore, we can conclude right then and there that leaf A, which has 2,165, is less than the number 6,103. Now let's compare another. Let's have leaf B and leaf C. Leaf B has 6,103, while leaf C has 6,100. The first step, again, is to make a place value table like this. We have to write the given numbers in vertical formation. Now, the second step is we have to compare the digits or the given number starting from thousands place, which is the greatest place value, up to ones. Now I will ask you, what is the digit of the thousands place in leaf B and leaf C? Yes, Atria.
Class B and C are both 6, teacher.
Very good. Both numbers or digits in the thousands place has 6. Since both other digits in the thousands place are equal, then we have to proceed comparing the digits in the hundreds place, because in the thousands place, both leaf B and C has the same digit. Again, since both of their digits has number 6 in the thousands place, let's proceed going to the right or the hundreds place value. Now, as you can see, leaf B and leaf C both have 1 or number 1 in the hundreds place value, as well as the tens, they have the same digit numbers. Now, how about in the ones place value? Now, what is the digit of the ones place value in leaf B and C? Yes, Aiza?
Left B has 3 and left C has 0, teacher.
Very good. Leaf B has 3 in the 1,000 place, while leaf C has 0 in the 1,000 place. Therefore, we can already compare which is a bigger number or a less number. So, as we proceed to the ones place value, the digit 3 is greater than 0. Therefore, leaf B is greater than leaf C, which only has 6,103. We can also conclude there that leaf B, which has 6,103, has the most number of leaves, while leaf A has the least number of leaves. Now, let's continue comparing numbers using relation symbols. In comparing numbers, we use relation symbols. There are three relation symbols. The first symbol is greater than. We use the symbol if the first number is greater than the second number being compared. The second relation symbol is less than. We use this symbol if the first number is less than the second number being compared. The last symbol is equal to. We use the symbol if both the given numbers are equal to each other. Now let's have an example. 6,100 is greater than 2,165. How do we write greater than in symbol? Yes, Trisha.
It is written as 6,100 is greater than 2,165, teacher.
Very good. Now let's try to look at other examples. 503 is less than 2,165. How do we write less than in symbols? Yes, Christy.
It is written as 503 less than 2,165, teacher.
Very good. Now let's try another one. 503 is equal to 503. How do we write equal to in symbols? Yes, Atria.
Has written as 503 equals to 503, teacher.
Very good. A while ago, I have taught you, or we have tackled the first way on how to compare large numbers. Now, I will teach you the second way on how to compare numbers using number line. Alright, can you see the number line from the back? Okay. Alright, now let's try to plot 8,110, 8,200, and 8,820. Alright, the number on the given segment in the number lines are 8,110, 8,200, and 8,820. We have to remember that if you're comparing a number using a number line, we have to take note that number going to the rightmost direction has a greater value than the number going to the leftmost direction in a number line. Therefore, in this chart, we can see that 8,110 is less than 8,200, while 8,200 is less than 8,820. And if we try to compare the first given number, 8,820 is greater than 8,200, and 8,200 is greater than 8,110. Okay, again, what do we need to remember when we use a number line in comparing numbers? Yes, Aiza.
If the number is going to the rightmost direction, then it has a greater value than the number to the leftmost direction in the number line, teacher.
Alright, so I have here an example. So we have here 6,728 and 8,125. So what we're going to do first is to find out the greatest place value. So the two given numbers both have 4 digits. When we say 4-digit numbers, it falls under the place value thousands. Therefore, both given numbers have thousands place as their greatest place value. Now, we will get the first digit of their greatest place value. So we have here the first given number, 6,728. The digit of the thousands place is number 6. while the second given number is 8,125, and it has the digit 8 as the digit in the thousands place. The digit 6 and the digit 8 are different with each other, then we can compare which is a bigger number or a lesser number. Of course, the digit 8 is a bigger number than the 6. Therefore, we can conclude that 6,728 is less than 8,125. So we will write the symbol less than. Now, since we are using a number line, we will find out where should the two given numbers should be located in a number line. If it should be located in the leftmost direction in a number line or the rightmost direction in a number line. Now, since 6,728 is less than 8,925, therefore, the 6,728 should be located at the leftmost direction in a number line. So we can put the first given number right here. Now, for the second given number, which is 8,125, it is greater than the 6,728. Therefore, we will locate the second number right here. We will put the 8,125 at the rightmost direction in a number line. Alright, so let's try another numbers. So we have here 3,422 and 3,545. Now first is we have to determine the greatest place value. So both the given numbers have 4 digits. Again, if it is 4 digits, then it is under the thousands place value. Now, the greatest place value, which is thousands, has both 3 as their digit. 3. Since both the digits in the thousands place are equal with each other, then we cannot say if the first given number is lesser than or greater than the second given number. So we will proceed to the hundreds place value. We will compare the digits in their greatest place value. We will compare the digits under the hundreds place value. So we have here in the first given number 4 as their digit in the hundreds place, while the second given number has number 5 in their hundreds place value. Now, both the digits are different with each other. Therefore, we can ask which is a greater number, if it is 4 or 5. Of course, it is the digit 5. Therefore, we can conclude that 3,422 is less than 3,545. So we will write the symbol less than. Alright, we will now locate the two given numbers if it should be located at the leftmost direction or the rightmost direction. So since we have concluded a while ago that 3,422 is less than 3,545, therefore we will write the first given number 3,422 at the leftmost direction in a number line, while the second given number will be located at the rightmost direction of the number line. So we will write 3,422 in here, while the other number, which is greater than the first number, 3,545, will be located right here. Alright, so that was our lesson for today. Now, let's have a recall. What are the 3 relation symbols that we use in comparing numbers? Yes, Leah.
We use the relation symbols such as this for greater than, this for less than, And this for equal to in comparing numbers, teacher.
Very good. We use the symbol greater than, less than, and equal to. Now another question. What are the two ways to compare numbers with higher value? Yes, Trisha.
We can use the place value of the number to identify which has a higher value, and we can also compare value of numbers through number line, teacher.
Very good. The first way is to use a place value chart or table. And in the second way, we can compare numbers using a number line. Alright, since you really listened to teacher for today's discussion, we will answer 2 worksheets for today. Don't worry, it will be easy. Alright, so I have here the activities that you will be answering. These activities consist of part A and part B. Translators, kindly pass the worksheet, can distribute the worksheet at the back. Thank you.
Thank you, teacher.
Thank you, teacher.
Please don't forget to write your name, your grade and section, and then the date for today. So I will give you 5 minutes to answer the activities. And later on, we will have an oral recitation. You may now start answering, pupils. Alright, so time is up for answering our worksheet number 1. It is now time to check your answers. You don't need to exchange your papers to your seatmates because I know you are honest. And if you want to answer, just raise your right hand and then write your answers on the board. Alright, for part A, the direction is compare the numbers by writing greater than, less than, and equal to. So you have to write it in words, okay? Not in symbols. So for number 1, 5,688 blank 5,672. Who wants to answer? Yes, Leah.
Equal to, teacher.
Very good. For number 1, 5,688 is greater than 5,672. Now for number 2, we have 9,189 blank 9,235. Yes, Atria.
Less than.
Very good. The answer is less than. Now let's proceed to number 3. We have 10,000 blank 9,998. Yes, Trisha.
Greater than, teacher.
Very good. The answer is greater than. 10,000 is greater than 9,998. Now for number 4. 4,577 blank. 4,000 plus 600 plus 20 plus 1. What is the answer? Yes, Christine.
Less than, teacher.
Very good. The answer is 4,577 is less than 4,621. Now let's have number 5. Alright, let's proceed to number 5. So number 5, we have 9,120 blank 900 plus 100 plus 20 plus 0. Now, what is the correct answer? Yes, Aiza.
Greater than.
Very good. The correct answer is greater than. 9,120 is greater than 900 plus 100 plus 20 plus 0, or if you will add it up, it will be 1,020. Now let's proceed to number 6. So in number 6, we have 6,256 blank. 6,000 plus 200 plus 50 plus 6. What is the correct answer? Yes, Leah.
Equal to, teacher.
Very good. The correct answer is equal to. Now for number 7, we have 5,903 blank. 5,000 plus 900 plus 10 plus 3. What is the correct answer? Yes, Apria.
Less than.
Very good. 5,903 is less than 5,913. Now let's have number 8. Number 8, we have 8,000 plus 100 plus 70 plus 9 blank. 8,179. What is the correct answer? Yes, Trisha.
Equal to.
Very good. The correct answer is equal to. They are equal. So let's have number 9. 9,045 blank. 9,000 plus 0 plus 40 plus 5. What is the correct answer? Yes, Christine.
Equal to, teacher.
Very good. The correct answer is equal to. Now let's find out the answer on the last number, which is number 10. So in number 10, we have 8,975 blank. 8,000 plus 900 plus 80 plus 5 is the correct answer. Yes, Isaac.
Less than.
Very good. 8,975 is less than 8,985. Very good. You have given the correct answers. Alright, let's check our part B. Now for part B, our direction is compare the numbers using the relation symbols greater than, less than, and equal to. So we will now use the symbols. Now let's have number 1. So in number 1, we have numbers 8,905 blank 8,890. What symbol will we use? Yes, Leah.
This symbol is greater than, teacher.
Very good. We will use the greater than symbol. Now let's have number 2. For number 2, we have 7,567 blank 5,298. Now what symbol will we use? Yes, Apria.
Number 2 is a greater than symbol, teacher.
Very good. We will use the greater than symbol. Now for number 3, we have 8,190 blank 8,000 plus 100 plus 90 plus 2. What symbol will we use? Yes, Trisha.
Number 3 is less than, teacher.
Very good. The symbol that we will use is the symbol less than. Now let's have number 4. 7,689 blank. 7,000 plus 600 plus 80 plus 9. What symbol will we use? Yes, Christine.
It is an equal sign, teacher.
Very good. We will use the equal to symbol. Now let's have number 5. 8,000 plus 600 plus 10 blank. 8,610. What symbol? Yes, Isaac.
X equals symbol, teacher.
Very good. We will use the equal to symbol. Now let's proceed to number 6. Number 6, we have 3,487 blank. 3,456. What symbol will we use? Yes, Leah.
Number 6 is greater than, teacher.
Very good. We will use the greater than symbol. Alright, let's proceed to number 7. Number 7, we have 8,278 blank. 8,000 plus 200 plus 90 plus 8. What is the correct symbol? Yes, Andrea.
Number 7 is a less than symbol.
Very good. The correct answer is the less than symbol. Now, what about number 8? What is the correct answer in number 8? We have 5,000 plus 100 plus 20 plus 5 blank 5,167. What is the correct symbol? Yes, Trisha.
Number 8 is less than, teacher.
Very good. The correct symbol to be used is the less than symbol. Now, let's proceed to number 9. So, in number 9, we have 8,975 blank 8,000 plus 90 plus 80 plus 5. What symbol will we use? Yes, Christine.
Greater than, the answer, teacher.
Very good. We will use the less than symbol. Now, for our number 10, our last number, let's have 10,000 blank. 8,000 plus 100 plus 100. What is the correct symbol? Yes, Isa.
It's equal symbol, teacher.
Very good. The answer is equal to symbol. Alright, you have given the right answers for our worksheet number 1. Kindly add up all the scores and write your total scores at the upper right corner of the worksheet. After adding your scores, kindly pass your worksheets in front. Front sitters, kindly collect them all. Alright, so while you are still busy adding your scores, I have a question. Anyone can answer it. You can raise your right hand if you want to answer, okay? So my question is comparing numbers important to understand? Can it help in a real life situation? Yes, Leah.
Yes, teacher, it is important because in our life, we make decisions, teacher, and we do keep comparing numbers more often in our everyday lives, teacher. Like, for example, teacher, buying snacks at the grocery stores, teacher, and we compare the prices in every snacks we see and we want to eat, teacher, to save money, teacher.
Very good. Yes, it is very important to understand how to compare numbers because it does not only help us to develop number sense, which help us to build a strong mathematical concepts. It can also help us understand daily life problems faced during the choice of items while shopping, like knowing how much something costs, to see if we need more or less money to buy it, in which it will make our decision making strong because we do understand comparing numbers. Alright, pupils, kindly pass all the papers. Thank you. Wow, all of you got perfect scores. Congratulations! In the next meeting, don't worry, I will give you something, a reward, because you are all perfect in our worksheet number 1. Now, how about we try to answer our worksheet number 2? So in our worksheet number 2, if you all got a passing scores, then I will give you 2 rewards tomorrow. Alright, I guess everyone is excited to answer the worksheet number 2 and get a reward. Alright, so I have here your worksheet number 2. Kindly please distribute. I will give you another 5 minutes to answer that, and later on we will again have an oral recitation. Alright, time is up, pupils. Again, you don't need to exchange your papers with your seatmates. Okay, let's now check your worksheet number 2. So in the worksheet number 2, the direction is we have to read and answer the problem below. Compare the numbers using the symbols greater than, less than, and equal to. Now for our word problem number 1. It says that there are 3,567 school children at Maasin Elementary School, while Antonio Elementary School has 300, more than the population of Maasin. What is the total population of Antonio Elementary School? So it says right here that Antonio Elementary School has 300 more than the population of Maasin Elementary School, which only has 3,567. Therefore, we will add the 3,567 of Maasin and plus 300. For it states right here that Antonio Elementary School has 300 more than the population of Maasin, which is 3,567. So, if we add it up, we will get the numbers 3,867. Now, we will compare it using relation symbols. So, we have here 3,567 blank 3,867. Which relation symbol is appropriate for this? Yes, Leah, please write your answer on the board.
Number 1 is less than teacher, and we use this symbol for less than teacher.
Very good. The answer is the less than symbol. Now we will proceed to number 2. So the number 2 right here states, Jose collected 1,625 stamps on April and 1,256 stamps on May. In what month did Jose collect more stamps? Is it 1,625 or the 1,256? Which relation symbol will we use? Yes, Atria, write your answer on the board.
It's a greater than symbol, teacher.
Very good. We will use the greater than symbol. Now let's proceed to number 3. Arnie and Susan went to the shore to pick pebbles. Arnie picked 3,000 plus 100 plus 60 plus 7. And if we add it up, it will be 3,167. While Susan had 3,167. Who has more pebbles? Is it Arnie that has 3,167, or is it Susan that has collected 3,167? What relation symbol will we use? Yes, Trisha.
Number 3 is equal to, teacher.
Very good. We will use the equal to symbol because Susan and Arnie both collected 3,167 pebbles. Now proceed to number 4. Mercy counted 4,057 marbles while Andres has 3,126 marbles. Who has more marbles? Is it Mercy that has 4,057? Or is it Andres that has 3,126? Which symbol will we use? Yes, Christine.
Greater than the answer, teacher.
Very good. We will use the greater than symbol because 4,057 is greater than 3,126. Now let's have number 5. Hospital A collected 7,103 face shields for its medical workers, while Hospital B has 8,043. Which hospital has lesser face shields? Is it Hospital A that has 7,103 face shields, or is it Hospital B that collected 8,043 face shields? What symbol will we use? Yes, Isa, write your answer on the board.
It's a less than symbol, teacher.
Very good. We will use the less than symbol because Hospital A only has 7,103 face shields, while Hospital B collected 8,043 face shields. Now let's have number 6. Tony brought a t-shirt with a 3,000 price, while Renee brought with a 1,000 price. Which is the most expensive t-shirt? Is it 3,000 or 1,000? Yes, Leah.
Number 6 is greater than, teacher, and we use this symbol as greater than, teacher.
Very good. We will use the relation symbol greater than. Now let's have 7. Zai and Shai went to the garden to pick sunflowers. Zai picked 4,050 sunflowers, while Shai had 2,555. Who has more sunflowers? Is it 4,050 by Zai, or is it Shai that has 2,555? Which symbol will we use? Yes, Atria, write your answer on the board.
It's a less than symbol, teacher.
Very good. We will use the greater than symbol. Now let's proceed to number 8. Josefa sold 5,000 packs of cupcakes, while Jenny sold 8,995 packs of cupcakes. Who sold little profit? Is it Josefa who sold 5,000 cupcakes, or is it Jenny who sold 8,995? Which symbol will we use? Yes, Trisha, write your answer on the board.
Number 8 is less than, teacher.
Very good. We will use the less than symbol because Josefa only has 5,000 sold cupcakes while Jenny has 8,995 sold cupcakes. Let's have number 9. Tomas Antonio harvested the corn. Tomas harvested 7,000 sacks of corn while Tonyo harvested 6,080 sacks of corn. Who has more sacks of corn? Yes, Christine.
Greater than. The answer, teacher.
Very good. The symbol that we will use is the greater than symbol because 7,000 sacks of corn is greater than the 6,080 corns. Let's have number 10, the last number. Remar and Ruel cutting falcata in the farm trees. Remar cutting 9,880 falcata while Ruel cutting 9,999 falcata. Who has more cuts of falcata? Is it Remar or Ruel? Which symbol will we use? Yes, Aiza.
It's a less than symbol, teacher.
Very good. We will use the less than symbol. The less than relation symbols because 9,880 is less than 9,999. Alright, so that was our worksheet number 2. Now count all your scores and then write your total score at the upper right corner of the worksheet. Okay, kindly pass all the papers. Thank you. Wow! All of you got perfect scores! Congratulations! Don't worry, teacher will give you 2 rewards tomorrow. I guess you are all excited with the reward. Alright, before we end our class for today, I'll give you an assignment. Please get your pencil and your assignment notebook. And write your assignment on your notebook. I will give you 5 minutes. To write your assignment. Alright, we will check your assignment tomorrow. Okay, pupils, before we will end our class, let us pray first.
Okay, teacher.
In the name of the Father, and the Son, and of the Holy Spirit. Amen. Angel of God, my guardian dear, God, God's love, comes me here. Ever this day, be at my side, light and guide, to all and guide. Amen. In the name of the Father, and of the Son, and of the Holy Spirit. Amen.
Amen.
Thank you and goodbye, pupils. See you tomorrow.
Thank you. And goodbye, teacher Athena. See you tomorrow.
See you tomorrow, teacher.